Hi, I'm Lisa from Cultured Expressions, inviting you to join me for my Ankara Folded Hexies mini quilt class. It's a part of the Quiltfest Virtual Schoolhouse number 11 lineup. I'll be teaching on Wednesday, March 26th from 10 a.m. to 1 p.m. And we'll be making the quilt that you see in the video. It's a combination of three really fun concepts in quilting. First of all, there are hexies. You'll learn my folded technique for making hexies. There are no paper pieces involved or included in that. It's a really fun, simple technique. It involves my love for African fabrics and in particular Ankara. If you've never worked with Ankara or African prints, then you're going to love this class. It's a great introduction. If you have worked with them, then you already know. And it also includes slow stitching. So we're going to explore how the slow stitching can enhance the look of the AnkaraHexies in the wall hanging. And we'll also go into some other projects you can make with the technique and with the kit. Speaking of the kit, the actual kit is included in the price of the class already. It includes 50 pieces of African prints or Ankara prints, 50 different pieces, no repeats. It includes an acrylic template and the instructions for a few extra side projects. Once you master the hexies, you can make some really fun stuff. So again, I hope you'll join me on Wednesday, March 26th.